There's a certain kind of peace that only a truly reliable SUV can give you. You know what I'm talking about. That quiet confidence when you turn the key, and it always starts. When you drive hundreds of miles without a single warning light, no odd noises, no check engine anxiety. Most people spend years chasing the newest model, the flashiest design, or the biggest horsepower number. And yet, they completely overlook the one thing that actually matters: trust. Because here's the truth. A beautiful SUV that constantly breaks down is nothing but a polished headache on four wheels. The smart drivers, the ones who truly understand vehicles, don't fall for marketing tricks. They go for the machines built to last. Engines that outlive trends, transmissions that refuse to quit, and reliability so bulletproof, it almost feels unfair. So today, I'm going to show you 4 SUVs so reliable, you might actually forget what a mechanic looks like. These aren't just vehicles, they're loyalty on wheels. The kind of SUVs that turn decades into memories and never once leave you stranded. 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser isn't just a vehicle, it's a survival machine. This SUV doesn't break down. It simply outlasts the environment. Whether it's desert heat, mountain cold, or muddy chaos, the Land Cruiser shrugs it off like it's nothing. Mechanics call it boring to fix because they rarely ever get to. Its bulletproof V8 engine and overbuilt transmission are designed for punishment, not pampering. That's why people say, you don't own a Land Cruiser, you inherit one. 2. Lexus GX. The Lexus GX is basically a Land Cruiser wearing a tuxedo. Under its luxury shell hides a rugged, indestructible heart. The 4.6-liter V8 is engineered with almost arrogant reliability. It doesn't ask for attention, it demands respect. Owners often joke that the biggest repair they've done is replacing wiper blades. Quiet on the highway, fearless off-road. The GX never begs for mercy. It simply performs, year after year, like a disciplined soldier in designer clothes. 3. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot proves that family SUVs can be built like tanks too. It's the vehicle that quietly refuses to age. The engine doesn't panic under pressure, the gearbox doesn't whine, and the electronics rarely fail. It's engineered to handle chaos, kids, long drives, unpredictable weather, without flinching. Many owners cross 250,000 miles without a single breakdown. The Pilot isn't trying to impress anyone. It's simply showing how consistency beats flashiness every single time. 4. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner is reliability in its purest, most unapologetic form. It's not trying to be modern, it's trying to be immortal. Its body-on-frame design is a rare thing these days, built for abuse, not comfort. The 4.0-liter V6 may not be the fastest, but it's one of the toughest engines ever made. Owners drive it for decades, often through terrain that makes other SUVs beg for help. The 4Runner doesn't break, it just keeps going, like time itself forgot to stop it. Now, here's the funny part. Reliability isn't flashy. It doesn't trend on Instagram. It doesn't make headlines. But when everything else starts breaking down, these SUVs keep going, quietly reminding you that true power isn't about speed or luxury. It's about endurance. So let me ask you this. When was the last time your car made you trust it completely? The kind of trust where you drive across a country without even checking the engine light. Most vehicles can't give you that anymore, but these 4 can. Tell me below, which SUV do you believe deserves the crown of ultimate reliability? The Toyota Legend, the Lexus Tank, the family-proof Honda, or the timeless 4Runner? Because after all, The real measure of a car isn't how fast it goes. It's how long it refuses to die.